I know the shadow is eating away at your heart. I'm just a voice from afar, but I swear you're never alone here. The journey has been so terribly hard for you. I give you my breath and all my courage in this difficult time. The burden that fate has placed upon you, I cannot carry it for you. But when you are weary and every step is then I will be by your side. I may not have your physical strength, but my mental strength is legendary among those in the know. With my musical superpower, this power is indestructible. You can lean on me in times of weakness. I will not waver and will not budge an inch. The burden that fate has placed upon you, I cannot carry it for you. I see the sparkle fade from your eyes. There's something that gnaws at your soul and chases all hope from your senses.